Right, this video should be me showing you how to build this badly manufactured and put together microphone. So, that's what I mean. It's a wireless mic that literally sits in the top of there. There's a groove, and that's where the microphone should have been in there. I took it out a moment ago. But yeah, that would just sit in here like this. I'm going to move this camera forwards a bit, like that, and a bit more. So yeah, this would sit in this bloody groove if you can get it to stay in there. It took me ages to get it in last time. You get one bit in and another bit jumps out. It's one of those. This is the Chinese puzzle. So anyway, that top unscrews. I'm thinking instead of it being a waste of time, I mean, you could use this, put a different microphone inside it and just use it as a novelty or whatever. But I think that's just begging to sit on a shelf or in a corner somewhere with an LED light inside it. So I think I might use this as some form of, I might even put a few LEDs in there, like, well, if I put 5 in there, I could run it on a 9-volt battery. Yeah, we'll have fun with that. So if you see the WXH 2, I think it was, wireless FM microphone on Banggood, Alibaba, flipping AliExpress, Amazon, eBay or anywhere, don't buy it. This has been down the shed. This has been another failure. Let's hope the next one goes better. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully with a working... I think we'll do the organ actually. I've got 2 of those. Fancy one and a standard one, so we'll do that one first. Try.